fish. Oh, that's a bite. That's a fish. Oh, wow. What's up, guys? Welcome back to CRANK DAT BAIT Fishing with Chris and Matt. Today we are at Big Carnelian Lake. This is our first time here this year. We're gonna be trying to do some deep water fishing in like 10, 15 plus waters. We'll see how we do.
Yeah, so if you guys haven't noticed, in the past couple of videos, I've been missing my frog bites. And so I went to go buy a frog setup. I don't know if we'll do any frog fishing today, but you know, it's something that's long overdue. That being said, let's get to it.
All right, boys, we got that situation covered. I forgot my chest mount today, so we had to do some improvising, but we're in this deep spot, or we kind of drifted far, but we're trying to fish this 15 feet of water. Hopefully there's some fish here. All right, let's go. First cast. Got super clear water. Some weeds down there. Oh yeah, this is what I'm throwing today. Deep diving crank, dives about 14 feet. I believe this is a Rapala brand. Deep diving cranks. You on? Oh dang, it's a big one? Yeah. Oh, it's a pike. This guy is hooked on to a really small pike. Well, that's the first fish of the day. Tiny little guy. Well, there's fish. It's not a bass, but it's a fish. That's a fish. It's a pike. Of course it is. This is how it was at Big Marine the whole day. Oh my gosh, he's got to choke the treble hook too. Oh boy, he choked it. All right guys, remember safety first. Let's get these pliers out. Nice. Oh, this guy's bleeding. Let's dip him back in the water for a bit. Okay, there we go. All right guys, safety first. There we go. Now I can safely remove the hook. Hook's gone. All right, second fish of the day. Pike, but I guess at least there's fish. See ya. Oh, there it goes. Oh, we're hooked up. Maybe this is the first bass of the day. Oh, he's gone. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, it's a good one. It's one of these. Well, boys, it's another pike. Chill, buddy. There he goes. Well, we were correct about one thing. There's fish living on the edge of the drop-off, just not the ones that we want. Oh, what was that? What kind of fish is this? Well, boys, that's another one. One of those days, guys. Oh, wow, this guy got hooked really good. Oh, there he goes. Man. How many is that now? 3? You got something? Is this a bass? It's a bass. Let's go. First bass of the day. There we go. Okay. I'll take that. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, he hit that hard. Yep, I was gonna say it felt like a pike. He only swiped at it too. What's up, guys? It is, what time is it right now actually? 4:45. We've been fishing for like almost an hour now. And it is hot out here. But we've been struggling pretty hard. We caught 1 small bass, 4 pikes, trying to fish deep. Not sure where these fish are, but we're gonna head down to the other side of the lake and fish another ledge that's over there. Hopefully we do better over there. Let's go. Oh, wow. Got flipped over. Oh, that's a bite. Oh, he missed it though. Oh my goodness, that was such a hard hit. Jeez. Oh wait, he's still on. Oh my goodness. This guy is crazy. What in the world? That was such a hard hit and I thought he was off. But he's still on. That's crazy, man. These guys are tiny, yeah. Oh, got him right in the eye too. Sorry, buddy. Man, this guy is a strong hitter. That's a fish. Just do it again. Yeah, this lake is Pike City. Oh, this guy's bleeding. That's a fish. Oh, wow. Let you run off. get tired so that I don't get treble hooks stuck in my fingers, man. All right, you done now, buddy? That's a fish. That feels like a bass, actually. Yes, it is. Oh, it's a decent one too. Oh, there we go. About a 2-pounder. Take that any day. All right, guys. It's probably like a 1.5 pounds, actually. Thanks, buddy. Got some? What you got? Big? Biggin? Where's the net? Shouldn't get a net. We're hooked up to something big right now. Not sure what it is yet. Hold on, let me go over here. It's a big old pike. Oh my goodness.
Honestly,
Get him in, get him in.
I don't care if he just gets away.
Here you go. All yours, bro. Oh, he got off, he got off. Got a big old pike, man.
What the?
Oh, better you than me. I got 2 treble hooks, you got 1 treble hook. Is it hissing? You gotta, yeah, go through him. There you go. There he goes. Goodbye. You already know, Ned Rig jig. You just re-spooled yesterday? Well, that's a fish. It's a pike. Oh, shoot, get the net. I don't want to lose my lure. No, 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 no. All right. Thank you very much. Another pike. I thought switching away from the crankbaits would get rid of the pikes, but they eat everything.
We're hooked up. This is like his second cast. Hey. On a crankbait. We got a tiny dinker. On the deep crank, right?
Yep.
All right. Third bass of the day. Here we go. One small fish. There he goes.
All right, so since Chris caught one here, we're gonna stay here for a little bit longer. Let's see if they're here. There's one. Ooh. Small dude. You got one?
Yeah.
There's small ones over there, man. Oh, that's a big one. Nah, that's a small one. Yeah. Thank you for the blow up action. Oh, we're hooked up. You weren't even paying attention. Hooked up again, killing it with the frog today. A bunch of things though. Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Today was a super tough day out on the waters. Caught a bunch of pike, caught a bunch of dinks. I would consider it a win, I guess, since we still caught fish, but still on the hunt for that big PB. But if you made it this far, thanks again. See you in the next one. Peace.